Hi, welcome to Shop RJ Pasini for great deals on eBay. Today I want to talk to you about when you're making sales with Bonanza, do you print your shipping label from Bonanza or do you print it from PayPal? That's coming up. Stand by. Okay, so you made a sale on Bonanza, right? You want to print out your label. Now, you don't necessarily going to get discounts from them all the time with Bonanza. With certain things, I guess you do. With certain things, you don't. I found by doing this through my own experience that you can save a little money here and there if you print the shipping off of Bonanza, meaning you go to PayPal. I took a couple screenshots. I had to comment out the person who bought the item, and I'm going to show you the item in a minute, what it was sold. And I'm going to show you the difference between the comparison between doing printing a label off of Bonanza versus printing a label off of PayPal. There is a savings there. Not much of a savings, but it's a savings, and it all adds up. So let me bump out of here, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to move this screen over here, and I'm going to go over here to the, I'm sorry guys, I'm squinting over here because I have to get to that window right there. Okay, here we go. Now, here, let me just close this out. Here we have, now, let me guess, I have the window there, I have to scroll down. Okay, this here is the amount of money, what it's going to be here, what the total shipping cost is when you view and pay for it when you go through PayPal, right? Now let me just move down a little here. Okay, let me just go through this really quick, if I could. I want to try to keep this as quick as possible, folks, because I know every time I do videos, they always go a lot longer than expected. So let me, bear with me with this for 1 second. All right, now, here we have the item which is being sold. Is the Tarzan DVD. It didn't sell for much. I don't mind sharing it with you guys. It sold for $3.72. Very small sale. Total amount is $7.71, and the shipping is $3.99. However, I could have gotten that a little. I could have been a little cheaper. I didn't realize it at the time. But I always paid in a little extra to cover the shipping costs for the envelopes and so on and so forth. But without further ado, let's keep looking over here. Now, as you can see here, this is off of Bonanza. Okay, this here is off of Bonanza's website to print the shipping label. It was sent. It's going to be sent out USPS Media Mail. The shipping cost is $2.66. The delivery confirmation is free, just like PayPal. Okay, so they say, all right, and they do charge you a processing cost of 95 cents. So this is the total price of it right here, the total shipping cost of the label to print it off of Bonanza. Now, if you go print it and take the initiative to go to PayPal, because the payments are made through PayPal. Okay, if I can get this to go here. I'm sorry guys, I'm having a little problem with this here. I gotta go back up. This is what it comes out to be. Okay, now this is from PayPal. See, here it is right here, PayPal. It's a summary. It's going out USPS Media Mail Service, right, which it is. They have a large package here, but I had to change it over to a thick package. I don't know what it, but that's the way it was set up in the presets. But you could change that around. Anyway, you can see it says over here, Media Mail to service 2 to 9 days. It's 4 ounces. The package, a thick envelope, which that's what it is, a thick envelope. Here you see the postage cost is $2.66. I'm not adding signature delivery confirmation. Delivery confirmation is included. No insurance is needed. Total shipping cost $2.66. Now, this, if you add it up, right, you do the now let's see here. Let's see what was going on with this here. Going back to Bonanza. Okay, Bonanza's shipping cost. Boy, oh boy, this thing is something messed up with it. Okay. Now, to ship it out with Bonanza, it's going to cost $3.61. Okay, so when you do the $3.61 minus the $2.66, you come out with the 95 cents. Now, I know you might say, it's 95 cents, but long period, long story short, if you were to keep doing that on an ongoing basis, those dollars, those 95 cents will add up. So what I'm trying to say is, to avoid the processing cost from Bonanza, which is 95 cents, okay, you can go through PayPal. As simple as all that, okay? And this is what your cost will be right here, okay? So you might say it's a little savings. Is it really worth it? Do I really want to go through PayPal versus Bonanza if I'm on a Bonanza site? Do I just gotta, should I just go through PayPal and, do that and save the 95? I would. I am the frugal, for those who don't know me, I am the frugal entrepreneur. I try to save money in any which way I can, and I use the best shipping processes as best I can. In other words, shipping methods. Yeah, if I was to, I know why it came out like that. As far as like the $3.99 versus the $2.61, I might have had it set up for a first class package. Maybe I didn't have it set up for media mail. I don't know. So we're talking, we are talking a difference of 95 cents. But, mind you, if people say, well, that's a little excessive in postage, you got to understand, I don't get the envelopes for cheap. Okay, so, if there is a little hidden cost in there, or if I do make a little extra on the shipping, it's to cover, just to let people know, it's to cover the cost of the envelope, okay, and the packing tape, and the paper that comes off the laser printer, and my ink. So it kind of like, for 95 cents, I don't think people will complain, okay. Now, I'm sharing this information with you guys, and I hope you could use it. But that's the whole premise behind me making this video. I've seen this once before. I was going to get ready to do it once before, make a video on it, a short little video about this here. And for some reason, I got too busy, got overwhelmed with stuff, and I didn't have the time to do it. So now I have the time to do it, and I figured, look, let me share that information with you. Again, this is if you want to, go through it. It's two processes, all right? Like I said, you could, if you're making sales on Bonanza, okay, you're making the sales on Bonanza, and you want to just leave it there. I don't want to be bothered. I don't want to go through switching through different websites just to save 95 cents or whatever it's going to be. It depends. It all depends on, what the cost of the postage is. You might be selling a higher priced item that's got a little more weight to it. The postage may be more money, and again, versus the, now if that's the processing fee, if it's based off of, that's like a set fee, I don't know if it's best, that'll change in time with cost. But if it is 95 cents, it's not bad for a processing fee, to be honest with you. But again, I do these videos to try to help you guys save money, and that's the way I do it, So if you guys could get something out of this here, it's a little savings, but those little savings add up. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it helped out in some way. And if you are a Bonanza seller, I sell on both platforms. Basically, I do exclusive selling on eBay, but for the most part, I do have Bonanza, as I guess a side guy, where one don't sell, the other sells. It's only so far today. It's February 20th, 2018. I only got one sale and that was from last night. So as of this today, sales are flat. Just to share that with you guys. But keep that in mind, and that's another reason why you might want to take that initiative to save that little extra money. I know it's not much, but when you've got slow days like this, every dollar and cents counts. So I just want to leave that with you guys. Again, I hope it helped. My name is Rich Pasini. Shop RJ Pasini for great deals on eBay. And I just want to let you guys know in closing really quick that a lot of the stuff I have on eBay right now has been, a lot of the prices have been reduced. I'm accepting a lot of best offers for this month because it is my birthday month, and today happens to be my birthday. So happy birthday to me. But anyway, you can save money today, for this month of February. Next month, I know you guys saying, yeah, but if you're going to accept best offers next month and going forward, what's the big deal? It all depends. This month is a special month, like I said, for me because it is my birthday month, and if I could help you guys save money, I'm in a good mood. If I could, get the things, you might make a good offer, reasonable, and I'll accept it. I may accept it. So that's going to be a savings for you guys. Okay. Yes, savings for you, a little smaller profit for me. But you know what? I don't mind. I understand the situation. Everybody's got different circumstances. You know, we got tax time coming up. People may have money that they owe to the IRS or whatever. Whatever the situation may be, maybe you're saving it up, or maybe it's a little tight from after the Christmas holidays or something. I don't know. We all have different circumstances. But all I'm saying in regards, this is what's going on for this month. Take advantage of it, folks. If you got any messages, you know, that you need to message me, you have questions on anything, please don't hesitate. I try to answer them within a reasonable time. I don't want to keep you hanging in there. But you know what? I won't know and you won't know unless you make that offer. Okay? So I just want to share that with you guys. I will be dropping the links below to show you the items I'm selling on, you know, that are listed on eBay right now at the current time, at the present time. Check it out. Okay? Thanks again. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. I do this information, I put these videos out there, guys, for you and me and everybody else in the YouTube community to help, you know, save money or give you good tips on certain things that are eBay related. I also do the reselling news as well, you know, and I do, like I said, I do sneak peek videos, demo videos, and intro videos. As I stated in my last video, I probably will not be doing any sneak peek videos because the inventory I have right now is what I have, and I do not plan at this point in time to go out and do any more thrifting and sourcing right now because the sales are slow and I don't want to have too much inventory. I can't get rid of the stuff for some apparent reason. I put best offers in all my descriptions and nobody is making those best offers, and I even lowered the prices. So I don't know what's going on, if it's something going on with eBay's algorithm where there's a glut of, you know, people selling the same things or whatever it may be. But all I know is for myself, very slow. But again, I encourage you guys to please don't hesitate. Check out my listings. If you see anything you like, make a best offer, but please make it reasonable. All right. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care. Have a great day. I'll talk to you then. I'll see you then. I'll hope to, you know, make another video soon. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.